Hi, I'm Caroline Whitby, Corporate Dietitian for Giant Eagle. The USDA has updated the dietary guidelines with a new healthy eating symbol, MyPlate. What does this mean for your meal planning strategy? Let's use one of my recipes for beef kabobs with tabbouleh and grilled pineapple lemon yogurt to help me demonstrate how to use this new tool.
First, we'll start with fruits and veggies. Fill half of your plate with them since they are the new center of the plate focus. So, from your dinner dish, the peppers and onions from the kabobs and the tomatoes and cucumbers from the tabbouleh help to complete this half of the plate. The pineapple from your dessert contributes as well. Next, fill a quarter of your plate with protein, preferably lean, like the flank steak in our beef kabobs. It's important to note here that the quarter of the plate is a guideline for balance. The portion will be dependent on individual factors like age, height, weight, gender, activity level, and health concerns. The last quarter of your plate is dedicated to grains, preferably whole, like the bulgur we've used in the tabbouleh. Within the new guidelines, we're treating the proteins and the grains as side dishes and putting the spotlight on veggies and fruits. Dairy is also an important component of a balanced meal. We've incorporated some of your daily serving needs here with the yogurt in our dessert. To complete your daily total of 3 servings, have a glass of low-fat or skim milk with your meals, or enjoy yogurt or low-fat cheese as a between-meal snack. It all adds up. Lastly, choose water over sugary beverages. Add fresh flavor with lemon, lime, orange, or even cucumber. Remember, use the new MyPlate guidelines as a tool in balancing your meals. Your individual needs will dictate the actual number of servings on your plate for the types of foods. For example, people with diabetes will need to alter their number of starchy vegetables and fruits.
To help build your plate or to find these recipes and more, visit gianteagle.com/myplate. That's my Giant Eagle advantage.